Throughout November and December 2022, sports fans were in a frenzy for the Football World Cup. Similarly, ChatGPT was the most discussed topic among tech lovers. ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 family of large language models, and is fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques, which is basically a chat box, where human will write about his problem and the robot set in the chat box will solve the problem. ChatGPT will work much like a search engine. But the difference is that the search engine does not solve our problems, it shows the way to the solution. On the other hand, ChatGPT will solve the problem directly. ChatGPT's current behavior suggests it will make people lazy. As a result, people's thoughts will be greedy. Brain will become very useless. Being lazy, mankind will move towards physical and mental illness. So it does not seem to be good for the human race at all. OpenAI company launched this ChatGPT in November 2022. After just 5 days of launch they got 1 million subscribers, that too in beta version. Twitter took 2 years to reach 1 million subscribers. 10 months of Facebook. On the other hand, Dropbox took 7 months. And Spotify took more than 5 months. Not even TikTok or Instagram could reach their 1 million subscribers that fast. A total of 6 people together with Elon Musk started the OpenAI company. Although Elon Musk resigned from there in 2018. Later in 2019, Microsoft invested $1 billion in OpenAI company. OpenAI's first successful product was DALL-E, which was basically an image generator tool. And the new product that OpenAI currently brings to the market is ChatGPT.